for joining me in the garage today, the place where we are turning your Bronco into your dream Bronco. Hey, if you guys haven't clicked that subscribe button, I would love to have you subscribe because I'm always putting out awesome how-to videos for the early Bronco, and I'm always doing, you know, entertainment for the Bronco fan, Bronco enthusiast. So today what we're doing is a little LED headlight install. I got these from Tom's Bronco parts, but I'm not just doing the headlights. Oh no, we're doing the tail lights and the blinkers. All right, so here's everything we got here, and this actually doesn't come together in a kit. So if you click that link below, I put everything all together, what all I got. We got the LED headlights, we got some new front blinkers, some side markers, LED brake lights, and some new brake light ambers. One of my Patreon supporters, Anthony, said that I didn't wear safety goggles enough while doing my work, so he bought me a new pair of safety goggles. Anthony, I appreciate it. I love gifts. This is fantastic. Gifts are one of my love languages. Now I'm ready to do some screwing. I didn't realize it until I said it. I apologize. One of the other things that it comes with are, you know, these are the halo headlights. So it comes with a way to hook up the halos so that if you just want the halos on with your running lights, you can hook those up individually, or you can just hook it up like normal and everything turns on when you turn your headlights on. So now I have one working headlight. Why not the other one? Because I didn't put the ground wire. All right, so now that I've got that done, what I'm gonna do is put the LED lights inside of my blinkers here, but if you can tell, these are pretty old and crusty and cracked. I'm also going to replace all of this. I got the entire amber kit, this nice little new piece that goes on there like that, a little gasket, the new amber that goes inside there. And the smart person would have realized red is probably a red bulb. So this is not, red is not for up here. Obviously it's the yellow one. LED panel thingy for the brake lights. New amber are reverse lights. And then you want to install one of these. There's a little resistor. You need something that is telling the turn signal that there's an appropriate load and it can begin blinking. So that's what this thing does, and you're going to put it back in this tail light. Slide it onto the wire. You slide this wire for the little resistor in there, clamp it down. So then what you want to do is connect this side and ground it out. I went ahead and got new brake light housings from Tom's Bronco parts because, man, my old ones were just falling apart. Who else is working in their freezing cold garage in this Arctic cold weather throughout our country? Stay warm out there. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know I kind of skipped through the halo lights there at the end, so if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Check out the links for all the stuff that I got. Thank you guys. See you next time.